This video is going to be about the Fentgo hairdryer. It has 3 fantastic characteristics. It has super fast wind power, it's fast drying, and it is super low noise. I'm going to show you this dryer by Fentgo. It has a strong wind speed, it quickly dries your hair in 2 to 8 minutes, and it's low noise. And I am absolutely obsessed. It makes it so that this technology really improves my quality of life because it's so fast. This hairdryer is equipped with 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motors. Gives me a really strong wind speed, dries my hair so fast in 2 to 8 minutes. How cool is that? It has negative ions and no frizz. Check that out. It's easy to carry and it is a super low noise. It is high speed and fast drying with no heat damage. I love that it has the intelligent heat core temperature control, 2 speeds, and how easy it is to carry. It is also so pretty. Look at that. It's easy to plug in. You can just take it with you. Oh, I'm obsessed.